Hey everyone. A few months ago I was having trouble with the heater switch, or so I thought, in my 2001 Suburban. I was getting a couple of speeds and then it was only one speed, it was only 5. But what I learned was, if you think it's this, because you're only getting 1 or 2 speeds or 1 speed, it's not this. It's not this panel at all. It's actually under your dashboard. So I did film it when I swapped it out. So let's get busy. This is the switch, or the resistor rather. Really odd looking device. That's it right there. And where that goes, under here. It's in here. So you got to take this. I think there's 3 screws out. There's one. Can't see under there. There's the other one right there, if you can see. Right there. And I think there's a 3rd over here. But until I get under there, I won't be able to see it. But you take this down. Your heater motor's in there. And then the resistor switch is in there. So I'm going to take that out now, and it's just plug and play. Just 2 bolts hold this thing in. 1, 2. It'll be up like that, I believe, like up like that, and unhook your 2 clips. Put your new one in, and that should finally fix the blower problem. So I'm going to get to that, and I got my helper here. Right, Nacho? We ready to get to work? So, let's get busy. Okay, so these are 7s, 7mm. Yeah. See it out of the way. Yeah, Nacho, seats move. The other one? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna need a socket wrench for that one. Just put the camera here. Sorry about that. I have trouble seeing what I'm doing here. I'm gonna have to edit the hell out of this video because you're not gonna be able to see anything. I'm getting this other guy out right here. Okay, that 3rd one is way under there, in there, so let's, okay, well, easy enough. All right, that is not a 7mm. I had a 732s here, I think. Oh, it fits. Not sure whatever the metric equivalent is to that. So that's, I believe that's the unit right there. So I gotta take out 2 screws and pull the unit down. Let me take care of that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got it out. Look at this. This does not look much like that. It certainly looks like it's fried. But look at this. Look at this great design thing. So this cable has to be unplugged. And where's the plug? Reversed. If I can show you with the mirror. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus right on that with one hand. Well, anyway, there's the clip in there. See that? So I have to somehow unhook that thing. It looks like I gotta get under the side. Huh. Why would they do it backwards? All right, it's gonna be a bit of a struggle. I'll be back in a couple minutes. Well, I can see why they changed this for the 2002s. So now I can see it. I had to take the cover off the blower motor, which is no mean feat. I mean, it's not an easy thing to get at that back bolt. There's the clip right there. So it looks like I can get at it now and did get it disconnected. And then try to figure out how to get the blower motor cover back up. The screw is really, really hard to get to. But if you've got a 2002 or up, you don't have to deal with this nonsense. It's a lot easier to take the clip out. So there's the tab you got to push in to get the clip out. But with this cover on it, you just couldn't get at the tab. It's inside the cover. Crazy. I don't know. Anyway, let me do that and I'll be back. Okay, just a sanity check between the old one and the new to make sure they are the exact same, because they don't look it. This looks like it's for 2002 and up. On the old one, you can see how that's damaged. These clips, that appears to be the same. This, it looks a little different. I think it'll plug in, but this is a slightly different, heavier around here. It has the same clip. So regardless, before I put it together, I'll be giving it a test to make sure it actually works, since it is a different unit. But all right, let me get to it. Let me start putting things back. Let me plug it back in and see. So I've got it in. This is not the right switch. It doesn't really fit the same way either. But we'll see. I mean, it's in. It's just, you know, it's just different. The way the angle is, all this stuff's a little different. Right, Muggs? Yeah, it's not good. But let's see what happens when I turn the key on. See if it controls it before I put this cover back on. I did get this back in, the heater motor cover. So this is the last step. Let's try it. See what happens, right, Muggs? See what's gonna happen. You're gonna get mad. You're gonna get mad when I turn this on. There's one of the strays. What's up, Leroy? Leroy already had breakfast, don't worry. Yep, Muggs, you don't want to sit there. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No flashing. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This isn't flashing. This is working. I guess it's good. Well, that's a lesson that a switch that apparently is made for a 2002 and up will fit this. So now I'm just going to put the cover back on and mission accomplished. All right, tools used. I used a stubby ratcheting screwdriver, a mirror so I could see how to get at that, a socket with a small extender. I used a 732 socket. You could probably use the metric equivalent. And I used a 7mm? Yeah, a 7mm socket. And a screwdriver. I tried that before, it didn't help. So that's all you need. And you can change it yourself and get rid of this one. I'll have to make note somewhere on a Suburban forum that they are different. in the 2001s and the O2s, because this is supposedly a direct, what I put in is a direct replacement for this, and not quite, but close enough, I guess. All right, that's it. I hope you found this video useful. It's a pretty easy job, budget about, an hour. I showed you what tools you'll need. You've got no excuse. If you've got this problem, just go out, get busy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.